Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about the validation and branching in Apex. Today, we shall learn about the list in the navigation menu bar. So, go to the app builder, select your application, select the shape component, and click list. Then we shall create new list, the static list, make two, and then click next. Enter the name employees, then provide employees, then departments, and then provide the departments. Click next and click create list. After that, we shall move to our application and click create page, and this time we shall create blank page and name it as navigation menu. Then click create. Then under the body region, click new region and name it list. Static list. And choose the type list and provide the list name that we have created. Click save. Then in the template, choose the header hidden. Click OK and run the application. So you can see the employees and departments using static list. Now we shall go to the shared component and create a new list, which is a dynamic list to then we have to provide the SQL query. So select null, which is the image icon, then provide the page name, then we shall provide the target question mark P and ID and dot column. We shall provide the page ID. After that, we have column and then get the session ID. After that, we should add the columns and debug no, then app target on Apex application pages where application ID will be, it is the application ID of 241079. We shall use this story that we have written before. Validate query. So Apex application pages is a table that store all the information about the pages. So click next and create list. Then go to the navigation page, make it duplicate and rename it dynamic and provide running list to click save and run the page. Now you can see that the page is now the page is shown. So this is all about the list in Apex. I hope you have learned something useful. See you in the next tutorial.